Is Web 3.0 kind of like playing Minecraft?
Yeah, that's one way of looking at it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's basically interactivity and ownership.
Yeah.
In the next evolution. So that's why when you see examples of it, like early glimpses of it, like if you go to Sandbox, or you go to Show You or things like that, or Roblox, that's what you're seeing, and I think that will evolve just like any technologies. You'll see it go in directions you'd never imagined. But that's a great way to kind of understand what it's like is through Minecraft.
Yeah, it's fascinating because I was actually a guest columnist in Wired magazine. That was me showing off a couple of years ago, and I wrote about Microsoft's acquisition of Mojang, which is the parent company of Minecraft. I also talk about how Microsoft is going to use HoloLens as a way to allow people to browse or play within Minecraft virtually. And I wrote this in 2015. And so Microsoft bought HoloLens. And I think the younger generation, what they do is when they think of Microsoft, they think of it as a gaming company. And so if the younger generation uses HoloLens, for example, to build these wonderful masterpieces within this product here, Minecraft that is, then I think what's going to happen is in the future, that younger generation, as they start working, they will think of Microsoft and Minecraft and HoloLens as a software development kit of the future. And so I think Microsoft's ahead of the ball, ahead of the curve, so to speak, when it comes to this product. I think that Microsoft's acquisition of Mojang, which is the parent company that owns Minecraft, was the best acquisition they've done since they bought MS-DOS. Again, you can read about this online. Just do a search on Wired. Anyway, you'll find the article.